Hi, welcome to Study.Repair. Let's explore the site together and get to know us better. From the homepage, you can see that we focus on training for electronic devices. So far, we offer comprehensive and structured training courses for iPhone, MacBook, and DJI. And even more courses are on the way. In addition, we provide customized AI-enhanced repair functionalities. Enrolled repair course members will be invited to our technical support group, where you can receive real-time support. We offer both online courses and on-site training. Let's take a quick look at both options. The online repair courses are carefully recorded video collections, covering different repair scenarios and techniques. You can learn at your own pace and schedule, conveniently anytime and anywhere. Let's pick the iPhone motherboard repair course and check its details. During the Black Friday promotion, you can get a coupon to purchase at a great price. The coupon code can be used when you decide to purchase the related course. Fill in the coupon code to get the discounted price. Next, sign in to complete the payment within a minute. Let's go back to the course. Here's a simple demo video for you to preview. The player includes basic controls for playback speed and resolution. So you can adjust them according to your learning pace and network conditions. The video also includes subtitles in over 10 languages, allowing you to choose your preferred subtitle language. Additionally, the course content is highly structured and comprehensive, covering a wide range of topics. The courses are continuously updated. As you can see, the iPhone 15 Pro course is currently being updated. Each iPhone series covers approximately 30 lessons, providing a structured overview of the course. We also provide a thorough introduction to soldering techniques. You can learn the details of how to replace the small component, IC chip replacement, jumper wire work, motherboard separation and reassembly, and more. This example gives a simple overview of our online courses. You're also welcome to participate in our face-to-face on-site training if interested. At the end of this year we have training in Shenzhen. On this page, you'll find detailed schedules as well as a living guide for Shenzhen and more. We also welcome local cooperation for training programs. You can contact us via email or phone for inquiries. You can also learn through our customized ChatGPT AI Plus Repair Assistant via chat. Trained with a vast number of professional repair cases and principles, it provides more accurate answers than regular ChatGPT. Just like chatting with a repair expert, ask more questions to gradually improve your repair knowledge and experience here. In the download section, we gathered links to software used for repairs, such as bitmaps, programmers, and repair assistants. You can quickly access and download them here. If you can't find the software you need, please feel free to let us know. Next, let's sign in to show you where to learn. Click on the top right corner, then click My Dashboard to check all you enrolled courses. Since this is an admin account, I can view all courses. Your dashboard only shows the courses you have purchased. When we click and enter into the course that purchased, you will be able to start your learning journey. Rich and structured content will help you grow from a beginner to a repair expert quickly. Now, during the Black Friday promotion period, seize the chance to get repair courses at great prices. A brief look at how the course is structured. The all-in-one bundle course includes all current courses as well as future updates. The iPhone Repair Bundle course include iPhone motherboard repair, basic repairs, and camera repair. You can choose to buy the bundle course or purchase individual courses based on your preference. From November 20th to 30th, you can enjoy Black Friday big discounts. Get the all-in-one course bundle now at 30% off. iPhone Repair Course Bundle at 20% off. DJI Drone Repair, MacBook Repair and iPhone Motherboard Repair courses at 15% off. Screen Refurbish, iPhone Basic Repair, and Camera Repair courses at 10% discount. Use the related coupon codes to purchase at the best prices of the year. Wishing your journey to becoming a repair master is filled with ease and joy.